Here I have Nissan Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to use the split screen navigation on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Choose here the navigation button right here, and as you can see from the following view, let's open the settings right here at the top of the screen. So from the settings, let's choose here map settings, the first option, and from map settings, let's select here the split screen. So you can enable the split screen by using this switcher, and split screen divides your display into two sections. You can see the map on the one side and some other info on the other side. You can also now activate the settings here from the left side, split map options. And also here you can use split screen during a road to see the full map, turn list on intersection. You can also select here, for example, the display road options, for example, always show turn list on freeways, etc, etc. Maybe I will just switch it here, the split screen during a road, to turn list. All right. Now, if you go back to navigation, you should see here two lists of maps, two maps on the left and on the right side. So basically, this is the split screen view. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.